Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Mettine TD 4116 blood glucose test strips. These test strips are exclusively compatible with the Mettine TD 4116 blood glucose monitor. They will not work with any other blood glucose monitor. These strips use industry-leading biosensor technology as well as other great technologies, and are free of interference in the presence of galactose, maltose, or fructose in blood glucose testing. This allows for more precise measurements. Only 7 seconds to test blood sugar. These glucose test strips use an automatic siphon to efficiently take blood samples, use only 0.7 liters of blood, are lightly wound, and prevent pain. This box of Mettine TD 4116 blood glucose test strips contains 200 test strips, making it more economical and affordable for people to test their blood glucose levels. Let's Get Check Now provides cholesterol treatment. Discuss your eligibility with our healthcare experts and take charge of your health. Home-based accredited laboratory testing. Self-collect your sample at home and return it to our lab using the accompanying prepaid label. We use the same laboratories that doctors and hospitals do. Within a few days, you'll have access to sensitive lab results on your password-protected account. Your privacy is important to us. Our results are accompanied by simple health reports produced by our experts. Our second best cholesterol test kit home is Hinxia's Cholesterol Meter Kit. Users may check their cholesterol, uric acid, and blood glucose levels using a single compact handheld gadget with this 5-in-1 health monitoring equipment. The device's bright LCD display is easy to read, and the results are accurate and fast. Users merely insert a testing strip and wait for the device to reveal their results. The device is lightweight and portable, making it suitable for anyone who wishes to check their health on the road. Many people appreciate the device's ease and accuracy, and they say it's simple to use. Some customers have expressed amazement at how compact the device is and how easy it is to transport. Some customers additionally like the fact that only one device is required to monitor numerous health variables. The code card is included in the Chol test strip bottle's packaging box. The Lansing device is stored in the bag. The cholesterol checker employs a spectral analysis system created specifically for parameter measurements, together with 3 types of code cards and test cards. Simply insert the relevant code card and test strip, then begin testing to obtain an accurate result. Simply submit a 45 liters microsample to obtain total cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, triacylglycerol, uric acid, and glucose readings. There is no longer any need to visit the hospital or lab, saving you both time and money. The 4.6 inches OLED touchscreen is suitable for the elderly to use and read on. The results are available in 3 minutes. There is no longer a requirement to mail the sample to the lab for convenience. Store large capacity test results along with the date and time so you may follow your health over time and add other users to the same device. The rechargeable and portable design, as well as the supplied storage bag, allow for testing on the go. Third pick in our list is HealthCare Cholesterol Meter. You are at risk for strokes and cardiovascular disease if your cholesterol levels do not fall within normal ranges. Lipid profile blood testing, as suggested by your healthcare professional, is essential for maintaining good health. The HealthCare Tie has a user-friendly design that makes it simple to operate. The capillary action of the test strip swiftly and effectively draws your sample into the blood inlet, making it easy to deliver the correct sample size the first time and receive reliable testing results. Very quick, it just takes approximately 2 minutes to go from adding samples to presenting results. If you wish to check your blood sugar, it's also compatible with Kuro blood glucose testing strips. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can feel confident in your initial purchase. Using a painless at-home finger prick test, collect a single blood sample. Then, in the prepaid envelope provided, return your sample to a third-party CAP and CLIA accredited lab. Everything you need to test your cholesterol levels at home is included in our test kit. Includes a portable storage pouch for testing your gadget on the go. There's no need to send in samples or travel long distances to remain on top of your health. Check your cholesterol levels to check if you're within a healthy range or if your lifestyle changes are having an effect. Receive consistent findings that are saved on the device so you can review your previous results and progress. Number 4 in our side is Cardio Check Cholesterol Test Strips. They come with 3 strips that are simple to use and insert into the Cardio Check gadget. Separate test strips are available. This instrument is used to measure total blood cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. It is appropriate for self-testing at home. This tool is quick and simple to use, producing accurate results in minutes. It is extremely portable, fitting easily into your pocket or purse. This system comes with 1 Cardio Check analyzer, 2 check strips, a handy carrying bag, a user guide, and 2 AAA batteries. In just 3 minutes, you can learn about your cholesterol. Testing your blood has never been easier. A simple blood application with the Kuro L5 kit will provide a significant breakdown of your cholesterol levels. Use this information to plan ahead and make required lifestyle changes. Your liver produces blood cholesterol, which is a waxy, fat-like material. Blood cholesterol is necessary for wellness. It is required by your body to execute critical functions such as hormone production and fat digestion. High cholesterol, on the other hand, can damage your arteries, contribute to heart disease, and raise your risk of stroke over time. Our Kuro L5 blood cholesterol monitor is intended to provide quick and precise cholesterol and glucose measurements at home. Number 5 in our top 5 best cholesterol test kit home list is KPI Kuro L5 blood cholesterol test strips. Having your cholesterol measured at home on a regular basis and lowering your risk of heart disease through diet, exercise, lifestyle changes, and medication can help reduce problems and enhance quality of life. It is suggested that you assess your cholesterol after fasting for at least 8 to 10 hours. Prick your finger at the sides for more comfort than the tip or the pads. The expiration date on your test strip box should be read in this style. Each total cholesterol test strip vial contains an RFID tag that allows the meter to recognize the code number. Strips swiftly draw a sample into the blood inlet via capillary action, allowing for a simple fill. A form of fat found in the blood that the body uses for energy. High triglyceride levels along with low HDL cholesterol or high LDL cholesterol levels can raise your risk of heart attack and stroke. Having your cholesterol measured at home on a regular basis and lowering your risk of heart disease through diet, exercise, lifestyle changes, and medication can help reduce problems and enhance quality of life. The carrying case holds the Kuro L5 cholesterol meter and its accessories. You may just carry the case with you wherever you go. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.